Welcome back to the show. You are watching Pree Dis. Please remember to follow us on Instagram at Pree Dis Show. Now, keeping the show rolling, it's time for the Youth in Sports feature. And this week, we have Giovanni Gordon, a hockey player for Jamaica. So, Gio, come talk to them, man. I'm here.
This Youth in Sports feature is brought to you by Juiciful. Juiciful with said.
Well, who are me and what sport I play? My name is Giovanni Gordon. Hockey is my sport. Been playing for almost 13 years now, 14 years. Well, it's not really choose. I'm a sports person. I've been playing sports all my life, football, but I've majored in hockey a lot. So I've been playing for the national team from in grade 11, so I just turned over to really love hockey. Well, I bring a lot of skills, some different things. I have my own style and everything, so I bring a lot of different skills to the table. Touring by myself a couple of times, and I've been MVP in a couple of tournaments overseas. So it's really been good, a good tournament, a really good run for me in hockey so far. The lows have broken my hand, ball hit me in my face. A lot of bad things happened to me, but I really love what I get accomplished. Being a national player from fifth form, as I say, and playing overseas, touring by myself, playing with a lot of different clubs overseas, getting MVPs and leading goal scorers in a lot of overseas tournaments. And just want to push forward in Jamaica in hockey. I really bring back the love to hockey, so over the last 2 years, we see more youths in the school leagues, and we're trying to build them skill a little bit better.
It's now time for the trademark feature inside Pree Dis. That's a top 10 chart. The whole Caribbean, we put the top 10 songs together. I will present them each week. So listen up right now for your favorite track. You're watching Pree Dis.
Everything I get fling with in the I can stay away from you. She said, hurry up, push it to the limit.
So me say pull up your pants and put it on your waist and tuck in your shirt and don't bleach your face. In my days that me a meditate, so me study for the test, me no procrastinate.
If me say man no fi sleep with man they get raw meat nothing ya me sure fi get. And you know them thing they wrong, so give me what me want bigger power.
Nobody right it a time it. Girl, if you jiggle up and your body clean, you're not dirty. Cock up is a 10, bend down for me stocky. Walkie money.
And them say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. I start recruit soldiers for.
All right, my viewers, that's all we have for you on this week's edition of the #1 show in the whole Caribbean. Right now, you're watching Pree Dis, and I want to say big up to the folks in Canada. Always got it locked. Everybody in New York and the whole Caribbean. Again, we can't leave out nobody. Listen me. Until next week, my name is Cruddy. Just remember, you can always watch the show on YouTube. Just look for Pree Dis. Anywhere on YouTube you find Pree Dis, you find me, of course. Now, until next week, we still have a lot. We're still keeping you up to date. We'll leave you with Eternal brand new singles called Thy Will Be Done. I'm out.
Dear God, me I write you a letter. Just him some herb for me nerve, cause me can't take the pressure. Nika gone pan the hustling, she can't do no better. 10 times pan her back and a stranger pan top and the man them a beat her off here. But Father, tell me what is that? Oh, thy will be done, and we will overcome. We will rise above. 'Cause Jamaica land we